Good afternoon on this Wednesday. I hope you had a great day. It felt warm out there, didn't it? And we still had that wind today, and the humidity's high with that onshore flow. But things are going to change tonight. That strong cold front is still on its way, and you will definitely notice that cooler air tomorrow. All right, so what about rain? As you know, we are in stage 1 water restrictions. We need the rain. We've got over a 7-inch deficit for the year, and December's been dry, so we're looking forward to some rain tonight. The best chance is going to come after 10 o'clock. You can see on this graph here, the inland areas will see the showers and storms first. That includes Bee, Live Oak, Refugio counties, and then those will build toward the coastline, toward Corpus Christi, mainly after midnight, and toward the early morning hours is when we have our better chance at seeing that rain. Notice tomorrow that rain starts to move out early, and by the time we get to lunchtime, it's already dry, and it will stay dry then as we head through the weekend. So rainfall amounts. This is the potential rainfall, and you can see that the numbers are pretty good. We're looking at an inch possibly in Corpus Christi, anywhere from an inch to an inch and a half. A lot of areas, I think most, will see a half an inch to an inch or so, but some spots could see up to 2 inches of rain. So the better chance of the higher totals is in our northern counties as you get north of Rockport and up toward Refugio and up the coastline. But all in all, we'll look forward to that to water our plants a little bit and our lawns, as we could certainly use it. Unfortunately, we have a pretty dynamic system coming in, meaning we have low pressure. It's giving us wind shear, a lot of instability, and we have the moisture in the air. So there's the potential we could have a few storms that become strong or severe. This graphic is showing you that marginal risk we are under from the Storm Prediction Center, meaning we could have some isolated strong wind gusts, those damaging winds over 58 miles an hour. Now, I don't expect many of us to see this, but there's that chance a couple spots, especially in our northern counties, could have those toward the morning hours tomorrow. Tomorrow, that severe risk moves up the coastline. We have the rain ending, so it's mainly late tonight and up to about dawn tomorrow. We're also looking at a lot of wind with this system, and tomorrow is going to be a windy day. We're talking wind gusts of 40 miles an hour, the kind that can blow small objects around. So patio furniture, garbage cans may want to be secured for tomorrow. Temperatures are going to be cooler too. You know, today we hit 80, tomorrow 60. So we're going to notice that big drop in temperature tomorrow. The better chance of any rain in the morning. I think most of the day is going to be dry, and it is going to be, as I've been mentioning, pretty windy for your Thursday. Look how close that cold air is getting to us now. You can see it's down to San Antonio. The front has gone through San Antonio, and it's slowly working its way into our area. But because of lower pressure developing along the front, that's going to slow it down. And because of that, the slow movement of this front, we won't see much of the rain at the coastline until late tonight and morning. This is Future Tracker. This is one of our forecast models. You can see at 7:30 tonight, some showers and storms developing in Bee, Live Oak counties, and then gradually working their way closer to the coastline. As we get past midnight, that's the best chance of rain for all of us, and some heavy downpours are possible, as shown there by the yellow and orange colors on that radar graphic. Notice the wind changes direction, and that's that chilly wind for tomorrow. And speaking of chilly, the air is cold enough in the atmosphere, and that's above the surface, to produce snow and even some ice, and that is forecast for hill country, West Texas, the Big Bend area, up to through San Angelo and just south of Lubbock tomorrow. So they're looking at wintry weather. In fact, winter storm warnings in effect until 6 tomorrow for a good chunk of that area, with up to 9 inches of snow. For us, we're looking tomorrow cooler but dry. The morning we have that shower chance, and then we'll clear out, and those winds continue tomorrow. Temperatures only in the 50s to near 60, and if you're celebrating the evening hours, well, it's going to be pretty cold out there, so you'll need those coats if you're heading out tomorrow evening. Well, as we know here in the coastal bend, the temperatures modify quickly, and that's exactly what they're going to do next week. You can see the weekend, we do start to warm up. It's dry, we have chilly nights, and milder days ahead from the weekend into next week.